Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investor. And as every weekend, I want to give a weekly update for the last week, for the week 5 of 2021 in my real money North American portfolio. And as always, I will give you a full insight in my portfolio with all the transactions of the last week, with the winners and losers of the week, the dividends, what else is important. And let's start with the winner of the week. And the winner of the week was Activision Blizzard. They published their Q4 earnings this week, and this earnings was incredible good. And so the market just made a big party on these numbers, and Activision Blizzard overall jumped 10% up over the week. And so right now they are traded at $101. I bought my shares at the 3rd of June for $71.94, and so I'm up quite a bit. You can see this here on the green dot. And so I'm very happy with my Activision Blizzard stocks. And I also made a video on Thursday about Activision Blizzard and also Electronic Arts, and just compare them and then just come to a conclusion which one is a better investment right now. For me, Activision Blizzard is a great investment. I will just stick with my position, but you find out more in my video about the Q4 earnings and the compare to EA, and you find a link to this video here up on the screen. A little bit of funny, the loser of the week is Electronic Arts, the rival of Activision Blizzard. And Electronic Arts lost 4% over the last week. They also published their Q4 earnings last week, and also the numbers of Electronic Arts was quite good. And so I'm still very happy with Electronic Arts. Nothing to worry about that. I just added to my current position, but I will tell you a little bit more a little bit later in this video about this. And as I said, I also compared Electronic Arts and Activision Blizzard in my other video you find on my playlist. Then I made some transactions last week. I added more shares of Electronic Arts because they still are under the intrinsic value, and I like that. And the numbers, as I said before, Electronic Arts published very good numbers also last week. And so I added 4 more shares at a price of $140.40. And also Pfizer was kind of weak last week, and so I added 35 shares at a price of $34.72. And I also made a video about that. You find this also here up on the screen. And then I tell you more why I think Pfizer is a great basic investment. And with this buys of Pfizer and Electronic Arts, my pie of my portfolio look like that. As you see, Electronic Arts now have 4.61% of my portfolio, and Electronic Arts 3.69% of my portfolio. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, you find a deeper analysis of all of these businesses on my playlist. I put the link up on the screen, and there I go through the business models, through the financial numbers, I calculate the intrinsic value, and then I tell you why and when I bought these great companies. So feel free to check this out. And I also added some new cash to my account this week. I was able to deposit a little bit, and so my cash position is a little bit over 20%, and that's great. I want to hold it around 20% all the time for the next correction or crash, just to be flexible. And so I'm quite happy with this portfolio so far. And then last week also a lot of dividends flew in. After in the last weeks I didn't receive dividends, and I wondered a little bit why, and then I found out these are my personal Brexit troubles, because I'm at Interactive Brokers. They moved their European clients, the clients from the European Union, I have to say, from the British account to the account in Luxembourg. And so there was some irritation about the dividends and where they paid. And so lately, last week, I got all my dividends for January. And so I want to go through this with you because I received $26.18 from Legend Plaid, $22.52 from Imperial Oil, another $63.42 from Scotiabank or Bank of Nova Scotia, and $22.95 from JP Morgan. Overall, not that much, but it just starts to roll and compound, and of course, it's a nice cash flow. Then take a look at the weekly performance. And as I said, Activision Blizzard was my winner of the week, Electronic Arts the loser of the week. And here you see all the performance of every stock in the last week. And overall, the performance since the 2nd of December 2019, this was a day when I started this North American portfolio, looks like this. The Walt Disney Company with almost 80% up is the winner in this, and followed by Caterpillar, Facebook, Legend Plaid, and so on. And just a reminder, you find deeper analysis to all of these companies on my channel. Check this out, and if you find any value in these videos, subscribe to my channel and join me on my road to financial freedom. And as I said, I will give you every week also this insight to my real money portfolio with all my transactions. And overall, the performance since the start of the 2nd of December 2019 of this portfolio is 45%, and this is a little bit over 20% outperformance to the S&P 500, which performed 24.82% since December 2019. And so this is quite a good outperformance, and I'm very happy about that. And so I'm very motivated to go on and just search for good companies under the intrinsic value, and then just buy at the right moment with a margin of safety, and then stick with it. Of course, that's the goal for a long-term value investor. Find good and great businesses, buy under the intrinsic value, and then just stick with it, hopefully forever, or at least until the price go way over the intrinsic value. That's all about here on this channel. And as I said before, if you like this idea and if you like this transparency, then just join me and subscribe. We are now 738 subscriber here on this channel, and I really want to reach the mark of 1000 in the first quarter of 2021. So please hit the like button, this helps me and the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to make it possible just to reach the 1000 subscriber. Thank you so much. So that's it for today. We will see the next time with another video and another analysis of another stock. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.